What's up, fitness fanatics and business owners? Today we're cracking open one of the biggest names in the wellness tech world. This is our mind-body review. If you've ever booked a spin class or a massage online, you've probably interacted with this software without even knowing it. But what exactly is it and how does it work? We're going to break it all down for you right now. Mindbody is a comprehensive business management software built for the fitness and wellness industry. It serves as the operational backbone for studios and salons, handling everything from scheduling classes and appointments to processing payments. For customers, it provides a seamless way to find and book services, buy packages, and check in for their sessions, often through a user-friendly mobile app. Mindbody offers 3 main pricing tiers, starting at $99 per month per location. The starter plan provides the essentials to get a business running with tools for booking payments. The Accelerate plan builds on this by adding powerful analytics, room and resource management, promo codes, and access to premium add-ons for more advanced operations. The Ultimate plan is highlighted as the best value, including everything in Accelerate plus best-in-class marketing solutions like automated email and text campaigns, a built-in sales pipeline, and next-level analytics designed to help a business fully scale its growth and client retention efforts. See you later, guys.